Imagine creating stunning village vlogs, no camera, no filming, just AI magic. Stick with me, I will show you exactly how to do it for free. The first step is to head over to ChatGPT and type this. Give me 3 scenes of the best village activities, and they give me early morning, fetching water, cooking outside a fire with firewood, and farming in the field. Those are the 3 activities that ChatGPT gave me. I went ahead and said I want one female character. The image should be consistent and give me the prompt of the 3 scenes. Okay, and ChatGPT went ahead and gave me the 3 prompts that I can create the images first. Remember, we are going to create images and then animate the images. You can see the first scene, early morning water fetching, and the second scene will be cooking outside a mud house with firewood, and that scene will be farming in the garden. Okay, now our first scene, you can see how it reads. The prompt is there, and you can just see it's a dark-skinned, beautiful African woman in her early or mid-20s, wearing a colorful traditional kitenge dress and braided hair. Okay, I will not read all of it. I will just copy it. You just copy it and save it on your clipboard of your device, and go back, and you can read the others. Cooking outside the firewood. Go back and go on the AI called Procurement AI. I have mentioned it in this channel more times. And now we want to create our image. To create images is free. You just type in the prompt, choose the aspect ratio, and then choose the images you want to create, either 1 or 2. If you have a free account, you can create up to 2. Set the model procurement at V1, and then click on OK or create. And wait for the image to be created. It takes some seconds to create the image. And you can see our image is rendered. It looks realistic, it is beautiful, and I like it. According to what I asked for, they gave me what I asked for. Procurement AI gives you 10 images to create every day. 10 points to create. Okay, now head over back to ChatGPT and copy our second prompt. Go back and then copy our second prompt, where cooking outside with firewood. Just copy the prompt and save it on your clipboard. Click on copy. Go back to Procurement AI, our app to create the images. Click on the text and describe what you want. To just paste the prompt there and click on OK. The other settings will remain the same as we set them last time. Okay, and then give it some seconds to generate a beautiful, stunning, and realistic image for us. Okay, yeah, and you can see it have been created, and the image is it looks realistic. Anybody watching it would think is a real photo, but as we know, it's an AI photo. Okay, remember to give this video a like. I would really appreciate that. Okay, now let's go back, and we want to copy our third prompt of the third scene, and come and paste it there and create our image, our stunning image. And the third scene says farming in the field. Just copy the scene, the prompt, click on copy, and save it on the clipboard of your device, and then go back to Procurement AI, paste our prompt there. Just click on the X button there, describe what you want. You just paste the prompt there and click on send, and you wait for the magic to happen, because it's a magic. Okay, wait for the magic to happen, and you wait for the image to be created. I'm taking you step by step so that you can just follow it. You can see our image is created, and just you click on the image to see how it looks. And you can see it's stunning, it looks beautiful, it looks realistic, but it is not realistic. It is an AI image. Okay, remember to give this video a like also. Now you want to animate our images, and you're going to use an app called Pick AI. Head over to Pick AI, click on create import the image, and then paste the same prompt you are using to create your image. It's the same prompt you are going to use to animate the image. Okay, you just paste it there and click on create. Remember one thing, you want an audio for this. So you just look at the prompt, and then under the sound you just click on the OK button so that it can give you an animated video with the audio with it. Okay, that is what you are going to use, and you are going to use 30 credits for this because you are going to use the audio. We want them to give us the audio, and click on create. Give it some seconds to be created. Pickrooman AI gives you 60 points per day, and one video is created with 20 if you don't want audio, and if you want the audio you're going to use 30. Okay, you can also subscribe if you want. As you can see, our image is being created. It is 90% created, and okay, it is complete created. Click on the image, not image, the video. Wait it for load, and remember it takes some seconds to do this. And as you can see, it have loaded, and the image is good and the audio is good, but you cannot hear the audio because I have closed the audio on my device. But I will leave you at the end of this video to listen to the audio, okay, so that you can know the result. Now we are going to animate our second image where she was cooking outside Amanda's house. Okay, click on OK, import the image, the second image, paste the prompt you use to create the image. It's the same prompt you are going to use to animate the image. Understood? Okay, click on it. Remember to add the audio, and to add the audio just click on the first icon there. Before lip syncing, there is the audio there. You're just going to click it and paste OK, or put OK sound. You can see there is where you put on the sound. You can go further and describe the type of sound you want, but I will not do it for this video. I will leave it to happen itself. Okay, and click on create and wait for your image or for your video to be created. This video are normally 5 seconds, so you can just create even up to 2 hours video, 30 minutes video, 30 minutes village vlog, according to what you want, according to what shows you want to present to that video. You can also bring them and add up to a long form video, and our video have been created. Just click on OK and wait it to load. Remember to give this video a like. You can see our video have been created, it is loaded, and now you can see it looks realistic. Out of all the clips I created, I think this is the best clip out of the others that I have created. Okay, now we want to create our animate our third prompt, animate our third image. You just click on the image on create, and then we import our image. It was this image where she was farming, that image, and then paste in the clip, paste in the prompt you used to create that image there. Paste it. After pasting the prompt, you just now add the audio. Just click the first icon before lip syncing. You can see there is an audio there. You just click on it, click on audio, and then put it on. Press the button there and it will turn on. You can describe the type of audio you want, as I said earlier, or you can leave it like that. Okay, click on create and wait for Pixverse AI to create the video for you. Wait for it to create a video. You can see how the process is going. It will take some seconds to do that. It's very fast. Some AI, you are using a free account, they take longer, but this for free account is the best, it's better. As you can see, it is now almost complete. As I said, remember to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and also hit the notification bell so that every time I upload, you are the first one to know or to be noticed. You can see it is stunning, it is good, and it has the audio in it. I will leave you the full video to watch, or the feed clips to watch when I connect them using my. Just click on download. download with the watermark. I'll show you later in this video how to delete or how to go up with this watermark. Now we are going to use CapCut to join these clips together to form one video. Just go to CapCut, click on project, and then place or add the clips according to how you want to arrange them. Remember, you can arrange them how you want, how you feel. You can start with the most best according to you and end them. You understand, so that the one watching to see the first one is the best. Okay, and when you click there, you click on and wait it to be ended on CapCut. I'm using CapCut for this video, but you can use any editing app you wish. Okay, as you can see, it is already there. It has been ended. You just click on play and you can see how it is playing. I say I'll show you how to end the watermark, how to go away with this, or how to do away with this watermark, and that is what I'm going to do to show you now. Okay, you can see if you're using a free account on CapCut, there is the ending, something like that. You just click on delete to finish it, to do away with it. Now click on the first and then click on type it and use your 2 fingers to upscale the video, and you can see we are done with that watermark. The second one, you do the same. You hold with your 2 fingers and you upscale it, you understand, and you'll be done with that. Just play up and down with it until the watermark disappears, but you remain with the main theme of the video. Remember, the main features should not disappear. You just add the watermark, so play your cards well so that you can remain with the best video. Okay, you can see that is done. It is fine. I love it. Now let's end the watermarks, or the watermark of our done clip. You can see there's also the watermark there. Click on that clip and then upscale it using your 2 fingers. That is what I'm explaining, but remember to remain with the best feature of that video so that you cannot lose the meaning of it. Okay, now the next step is to, you have added everything, the clips had the audio. Now the next step is just to export the clip and upload on your YouTube or TikTok or anywhere you want to upload them to. Hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe to this channel. Bye.